Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace your BMW mirror caps for some nice new upgraded carbon fiber ones. Alright guys, well these are the carbon fiber M3 style mirror caps that I purchased off of Amazon, and I'll just say they look freaking great. They're probably just M3 style mirror caps, hydro dipped in this carbon fiber weave, but it still looks the same, to be honest, and it looks really great. And I only paid about 50 bucks for these. Now the regular mirror caps on my BMW E92, they don't look bad. They look a lot better than the LCI ones, but I want to go ahead and replace them for something that'll pop a little bit more. But yeah guys, let's go ahead and get started on removing them. And the only thing you should need for this job is basically a set of plastic pry tools. I'm going to be using this one in specific. And so we can go ahead and use our new mirror cap to go ahead and reference where the clip locations are. So that's basically where we're going to start prying from. So we're going to go ahead and put our pry tool in and just start prying. Just like that. And now we got the top off a pretty good amount, so we're gonna go ahead and come from the bottom. Woo! That went flying, guys. This thing flew off. I'm using one hand. Definitely use two hands for this. You don't want it to just fly off like it just did. But yeah, that's basically how you move the mirror cap right there. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna get a microfiber towel and go ahead and wipe down all this dust and stuff. And that's nice and clean enough. So now we're gonna get our brand new beautiful carbon fiber one. Put them on just like this. I think I used both hands and basically just clasp them together. So now I'm gonna go ahead and give it a little pull and make sure it's actually on there secured. And yeah guys, this side's good to go. So now we're gonna basically go ahead and do the same exact thing to the other side, and then yeah, it's good to go. And yeah guys, they look freaking great. I mean, look at that shine to them. Carbon fiber looks freaking amazing, and oh yeah. Yeah guys, definitely huge recommendation. They look freaking sick. Well guys, if y'all found this video helpful, go ahead and smash that thumbs up. Any questions or comments or concerns, go ahead and drop a comment down below. I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link in the description for the mirror caps that I purchased. And yeah guys, they look freaking sick. Honestly, make the whole car look more aggressive. Thanks for watching guys, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out.